Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. The first type of relationship is one-to-one. In this type of relationship, each record in a column of first table will have only one similar record in the column of second table. To create one-to-one relationship, drag and drop the column from one table to another. I will drag product ID from products table to price table. We have created a one-to-one relationship. Double-click on the relation to open the Edit Relationship window. In this window, we can see that the first table selected is products and column selected is product ID. The second table selected is price and column selected is product ID. We have one-to-one relation already selected. That's how we created one-to-one relation between two tables using the same column product ID. The second